Assalamualaikum everyone. So I'm going to create this look. Let's create this look with me. So I'm applying New Age Moisturizer on my face to prepare my skin. Next I'm applying New Age Sunblock. It protects your skin from sun and it prevents hyperpigmentation. Don't forget to apply it on your neck too. Massage the sunscreen on your face for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I am applying Miss Rose Primer to give your skin a silky look. Now let's apply Rivaj Highlighter Illuminator to make your skin dewy. It will give your foundation a nice shiny touch. As you can see, it's time for foundation. Let's apply Miss Rose Matte Foundation. Don't forget your neck too. It's time to blend. Damp your beauty blender with rose water. You can either apply rose water on your face or on the beauty blender. It's up to you. Now let's conceal. I'm using Miss Rose Concealer. Apply concealer on your under eyes, on cheeks and forehead too. Now blend, blend, blend. Now let's apply powder. I'm using a beauty blender again to apply powder. So now my favorite part to apply blush on. I'm using Rivaj Blush-on. Apply it on your cheeks. Now let's do eye makeup. I'm using Miss Rose Nude palette, a light base color to apply on eyes. Now I am using another Miss Rose palette to apply another base color to make eyes look more bigger. Again using Miss Rose Nude palette to apply golden glitter on my eyes. Try to apply it with fingers. It will look more perfect. Rivaj eyeliner to make my eyes look more defined and more beautiful. It's time for mascara. I'm using Rivaj Mascara. Now I'm applying Miss Rose white eye pencil to make eyes look under my eyes and on my cheeks. Okay, it's time to contour. We'll contour to make our face look slim. So I'm contouring my cheeks, my double chin, now contouring my nose. I'm using Miss Rose contour palette. It's very good. Again, I am blending the contour with Beauty Blender. Okay, so now let's apply highlighter. Apply it on your nose in this way. Apply it on your cheeks to make them look lifted and shimmery. Now I'm applying silver glitter on my eyes to make them look more pretty. So at last I'm applying Rivaj Makeup Fixer Spray. And da-da-da! We are complete. And da-da-da! We are complete.